There are two types of car valve. The bigger ones are Shrader, which look the same as car valves, and Presta, which are thinner and you only find on push bikes. One of my floor pumps has a single Shrader hole and requires the Presta adapter if I'm pumping up a Presta valve. The adapter slots into the handle. If you have the Presta valve, carefully undo the brass nut. You need to undo this to allow inflation or deflation. Do this carefully, don't bend it. The start position. The lever's down or horizontal, and I carefully place it over in this case, a Shrader valve. Warning, there are some floor pumps which operate the opposite way around. You start off with the lever vertical and then press it down.
Attaching it can be tricky. You just gently twist it while pressing down, and then pull the lever up.
The lever is upright and the nozzle is securely on the valve. We are ready to start pumping. If you haven't got it sufficiently low on the valve, the pump will not allow you to pump. You won't be able to insert any air. Your minimum and maximum tire pressure should be printed on the side of the valve. Here it says inflate to 60 to 95 PS.
Okay, detaching your stirrup pump. Just twist, gently twist. Maintain your stirrup pump. Just a little bit of silicone oil, 3-in-1 or WD-40 silicone lubricant, not WD-40.